Alright guys, we got the Toyota 5VZ for the 95 4Runner cleaned up, painted with VHT, high engine paint, high temperature paint, whatever you want to call it. Primer, base with clear, looks really good. And then we took it apart to do the timing. We did the upper cam seals, the water pump, but we need a new oil pump. It's got a stiff spot in it that I don't like. It'd probably be fine. You probably wouldn't even notice if you spun the pump. But we're going to go ahead and stick a new oil pump on it. And then we'll get the new rear sump. Well, not new, but it is going to be a new rear sump pan. But that different style for the solid axle swap. So we got to get those parts in, and then we can continue on the 5VZ. Got all of the button top Allens tightened down for the baffles, except these two. Cannon was short on those when he did this, so I gotta go get two of those from the hardware store. I left this one loose so I can take it. But I used way too much red Loctite on these, like it should be illegal, on purpose, because if one of those comes out or these baffles come off, it's game over for this 5VZ. These will never come out again. If these ever need to be repowder coated or new engine work needs to be done, it'll get new valve covers, because you don't want to screw with having any of that come loose. So that's why I over Loctited them on purpose. So we should be good and never have to worry about those baffles coming undone. So we'll continue this one. When I get these two pieces of hardware, I'll go get the other one opened up and we'll get all of its Allens put in and its baffles secured. So that part of the job is done and we're ready to put these, or put the seals on them, and then put them on the 5VZ.